Hello shoppers and art lovers! I would like to share with you today one amazing product. It's a set of 72 brush pens from Hethrone. Pens come in a metal box. It looks great, it's good quality and compact, it's easy to transport. Let's open it. Inside you will find the coloring chart. You can put colors and see how they look like on the paper before you start to use them. You will find also little coloring book. And actual pens. They stack up with 3 layers. So this is the first one. They also sorted by colors. So here pink and orange, yellow. Second layer is green, blue, and also my favorite part, you have each tray has these little cuts from both sides, so it's easy to grab on it and pull out your tray. And the last one is blue, purple, black, brown. Each pen has dual brush from both sides. One is thicker, it's like 1-2 millimeters. And another one super fine, it's 0.4 millimeters. The ink is water-based ink, it's super quick drying, it's non-toxic and non-smudging. It's great set, it's good quality, it will be definitely amazing gift for any art lovers or any child.